Hello, it's Natasha. Happy to see you back. A few days ago I shared a video with you how to create these artsy watercolor quick and easy cards using some of your favorite big floral images, and I will leave the link to this video in the corner of the screen if you have missed it. And I used these stamp set, full bloom stamp set from Pinkfresh Studio and coordinating dies. And as always, all the links will be in the description below. And today I want to share with you one more way to use this floral stamp or any big floral image that you have, that you love. And today, so last time I challenged you with a quite long video, I think 17 minutes. So today I have a short video for you, and it's not about techniques, but it's more about layouts and just sharing with you a couple ideas how you can arrange what you can do with your floral stamps. Okay, so let's make a card or two. Okay, so I heat embossed my floral image in gold and colored it with Pinkfresh Studio liquid watercolors, or you obviously can color it with any other mediums that you have on hand. And this is a beautiful image as is, and you can here is a card ready, right? But I want to share with you a different way to use this floral arrangement. It will require a little bit of courage from you. So I'm going to cut this image in half. So look at your image and see where the line could go, but keep in mind how you plan to arrange it later on your cards. So for example, I plan to cut my image here, so I will have 3 flowers on one side and 3 flowers on the other side. Okay, let's go. So you can use your paper trimmer, or you can use your scissors or an X-Acto knife. Okay, ready? And okay. So now we have 2 parts and we can make 2 cards. Okay, I have already prepared 2 card panels. So for this card panel, I used Fancy Diagonal Stripes die from Pinkfresh Studio. Again, all the supplies will be linked in the description below. And I just adhered it onto white cardstock. And I also added, with my gold gel pen and ruler, these lines just to jazz up my panel a little bit. Although I do love white space, and I don't mind white space on my cards, I love it, but I decided to add a little bit of detail and just to see how it works, and I like how it turned out. So and for this card I heat embossed this background stamp, Diamond Tiles, which is one of my favorites, in white, and just ink blended, colored it with 2 inks, Summer Shower and Mint from Pinkfresh Studio, and well, and that's it. And well, as always, I ran it through my die cutting machine with diagonal stitched rectangles, again just to decorate this panel a little bit. So now let's see how we can arrange our florals, right? So one card, I have an idea. I'm going to go for landscape card, and for this card I will go for portrait style card, but obviously you can play, you can go so, or maybe so, but then you will have to trim the extending bits a little bit. So just play around and see which arrangement works for you. For the sentiments, for this card I'm going for very elegant golden look, so I'm going to use these Classic Words dies, Best Wishes, from this set. And so I'm going to use my golden cardstock, and I adhered double-sided adhesive. So I use double-sided adhesive sheets from scrapbook.com. So, and I will run it through my die cutting machine, and this how it will look. So it will be very elegant and classy, I think. For this card, I decided to show you another way to add sentiment, which probably many of you have already seen me using it. I hit embossed my sentiment in gold. This is a stamp from my favorite things to say, which is probably one of my all-time favorite sentiment sets. And I'm just going to add it like so, wrap it around the panel and add my arrangement here. So I'll arrange my cards and I will get back to you. So our cards are ready. I just foam mounted floral arrangements onto foam squares and added some jewels to embellish this card a little bit. So here you have it, 2 more ideas how to use your floral images. I hope you're inspired to play with your stamps, and it's always fun to come up with different ideas how to use the same stamp in different ways. Let me know in the comments which card you liked best. And thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and see you again soon. Bye.